discussing another problem on list, that is shift. Now what is a shift? Here is the problem description and statement for you. So here you see shift one element of the given list rotationally to the left. So we shall have to define the relation shift, which will take two input arguments. One is the list 1, another will be the list 2. So that list 2 is the list 1 shifted rotationally by one element to the left. So you can give this list as input and you can get this list 2 as output. For example, to have the conception what we are trying to do, let us go for one example. So shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a L1 say, and let us suppose it is L2. So if the list is given to here and if it is our output list, then this output list will be formed in this way. And again you are making this shift L1, L2. So here this L1 will be coming like 2, 3, 4, 5. So that sequence will remain as it is and it will be rotationally going to the last. And this L1 has been taken as input here and L2 will be the output. So what will happen? 3, 4, 5, 1 will be coming in the same sequence and 2 will be going at the last. In this way, the shift operation will take place. I think from these examples, your conception is now getting cleared. So try to write the respective Prolog code to implement the same, and we have discussed the logic, we have discussed the respective examples. So try to write the code yourself, and demonstration is always there to show you that how the code will get written, will get executed, and how the outputs will be obtained. In this program, we are going to write one code where the first element will be shifted and it will be found at the end of the given input list, and other members of the list will remain unaltered. So here is the code for us. So shift first rest, and the output will be in the variable shifted. In that case, it will be done in this way. With the rest, we shall append or we shall concatenate this first element at the last, and that will generate the shifted list accordingly. And here is the clauses for the concatenation. So let me execute my code for the better understanding. So here is the list of the code. So the listing I have done here. So now let me go for the execution. So we are having this clause shift. So we are having A, B, C, D, E. So 5 members in this list. So if I press enter, then I shall be getting that the first element will be found at the last of the list. So now let me give another parameter here. So let me give X here. So if you give, you see B, C, D, E, so they are in the same sequence as they were there in the main list, and the first element A, it has been found at the last of the list. So it has got shifted towards the last of the list. So in this way, we can we shall go for testing again. So shift. So in this way, the program has been tested thoroughly. Thanks for watching.